Oh gosh! Who's ready? Who's ready?
Damn.
Aha! B.O.D. with M.S.O. Vapor flavour, born a raver, bringing the danger, misbehaviour raver. Ha. You like this song about emotion? You know what? It was written in the paper this weekend on how I saw my mum and dad round the bed. All they ever needed was an answer lend, but it's all good now cause they're on the mend. There was first my mum, number one, deteriorated as years went on. She was struggled to the double trouble I was bringing on. She was and they told me a lot, my son. My dad is a scholar, get out under the collar. Spit when he shouted in my face, he wouldn't swallow. Money on the borrow, pay her back tomorrow. I know I have $1, the favour I on my sis. Stuck in the middle of all this, didn't wanna witness. Family fitness, all the sickness, and family dismiss. Dismiss from the family Irish. Also them gonna make us say stupid, bit like your doors, coming through your roof, and if it be ungoofy, gonna lose a tooth. Cancer say you need lots of proof, we're gonna hide your kids, take your life, burn your house, rape your wife, and I'm gonna be blunt, I'll be sharp as a knife. False FM, toughest tribe.